Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove and replace any background using Photoshop. I've got two images ready. One is the new background, and the other is the main subject we'll be editing. Let's start by removing the background from our main image. Go to Select and click on Subject. The image is now selected. Now click on Add Mask. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now adjust the image according to the scene. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Brightness, Contrast. Now increase or decrease the brightness and contrast to make the image match the background. Adjust it however you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.